This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by taking pressure off her immediate needs. Step in for 1 or 2 night shifts so she can get 60 to 90 minutes of uninterrupted sleep. Once done, bring 2 ready meals and a hydrating drink. This reduces decision fatigue and supports recovery. Make sure to clear basic chores, laundry, dishes, and a quick grocery run so she can focus on the baby and rest. Explain what you'll handle and confirm timing to avoid interruptions. Now move into the more detailed work. Assist directly with feeding by prepping bottles, warming milk to around 37 to 40 degrees Celsius, and recording each feed to spot patterns. Once established, coordinate visit schedules and postnatal medication reminders so nothing is missed. Make sure to hold daily emotional check-ins for 10 to 15 minutes where you listen and validate without fixing. This reduces isolation and increases resilience. Keep a simple shared list of symptoms and appointments for quick reference. Finish by creating a transition plan. Slowly reassign 1 to 2 shared tasks per week so she regains autonomy without overload. Encourage 20 to 30-minute daily breaks for light exercise or a phone call, and arrange occasional social visits to rebuild routine. Make sure to monitor warning signs, sustained mood swings, fever, or difficulty feeding, and have a clear escalation path to a clinician. If problems persist, offer to call or drive her to an appointment. Act sooner rather than later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.